Good day. We are the final group consisting of Andre Alcubaisi, Patricia Alvarado, Waki Katibog, and Pauline Dakanay, here to present our Systheo final paper for Famous Pacific Philippines. Famous Pacific Forwarding Philippines is a premier international and domestic freight forwarding company established in February 1994 and headquartered in Makati City, Philippines. As a member of the Famous Pacific Shipping Group, it operates within a global network spanning over 40 countries. The company specializes in sea and air freight forwarding, customs brokerage, trucking, and project cargo services, catering to a diverse clientele from small businesses to multinational corporations. FPS Philippines is recognized for its technical expertise, reliability, and commitment to delivering cost efficient, value added logistics solutions. Since 2007, it has maintained ISO certification, ensuring quality and continuous improvement. With a highly computerized system and round the clock customer support, FPS remains dedicated to meeting evolving client needs. Expanding beyond international operations, the company has strengthened its domestic presence in key regions like Cebu, Davao, Zamboanga, and Cagayan de Oro. Operating with a workforce of 40 to 45 employees, FPS Philippines is driven by its mission to provide innovative logistics solutions and its vision of becoming the leading total and integrated logistics provider in the country. The company's headquarters is located at the 10th floor unit 1009 to 1011 The Styles Enterprise Plaza. Their mission is to be committed to providing cost efficient and value added logistics solutions to their partners through innovative products and extensive services, and their vision is to be the leading total and integrated logistics provider in the country. Famous Pacific Forwarding Philippines offers a various range of logistics services. While the company provides different solutions, their top three services include sea freight forwarding. They deliver reliable ocean freight services managing both full container load and less than a container load. The full container load is ideal for clients who aim to ship larger volumes of cargo that need an entire container. For the LCL, businesses that need their shipments to go in a smaller volume do not require an entire container. Next, they have air freight forwarding. They also provide air freight services, which means a much faster and efficient transportation solution for time sensitive shipments, especially when clients require urgent deliveries, high value cargo handling, or specialized shipping solutions. It ranges from expedited shipping, flexible services options, and global reach and custom support. Lastly, they also offer customs brokerage. They offer customs brokerage services. They assist their clients with going through complex customs procedures and ensuring compliance with regulations. Regulatory compliance, FPS stays up to date with the latest customs law, tariffs, and trade policies to make sure that all shipments meet the necessary legal requirements to avoid any penalties and disruptions. Apart from that, they also focus on documentation and processing, where they assist with the preparation and submission of essential documents, including import and export declarations, permits, and duty payments. They apply end to end support and coordination with external and internal parties such as customs authorities, port operators, and other stakeholders to ensure the success of every account.
For the statement of the problem, effective communication and performance monitoring are essential for logistics operations. However, famous Pacific forwarding fields face inefficiencies due to reliance on informal communication platforms, leading to shipment delays and tracking issues. Additionally, the lack of standardized KPI system makes it difficult to measure performance accurately. For the scope and limitations, this study focuses on communication and KPI monitoring challenges within the company. It examines how dependency on informal platforms disrupt workflow and how the lack of structured KPI tracking impacts decision making. However, external factors and financial feasibility of new systems are beyond the study scope. For the significance of the study, the goal of the study is to analyze how communication inefficiencies and weak KPI tracking impact company operations. By identifying these issues, we aim to propose solutions that enhance efficiency and decision making. Improving these processes will help the company deliver better service and maintain its competitive edge in the logistics industry.
Communication inefficiencies at FPS Philippines cause delays, miscommunication, and tracking issues due to reliance on informal platforms, disrupting logistics operations. The lack of a structured system weakens coordination, response times, and efficiency. Additionally, ineffective KPI monitoring hinders decision making and productivity, as poor implementation prevents accurate performance evaluation and issue identification. Establishing a structured communication system and strengthening KPI tracking will enhance operational performance, minimize delays, and support data driven improvements to maintain high service standards. FPS Philippines faces major challenges in communication efficiency and performance monitoring, negatively affecting logistics operations. Heavy reliance on informal platforms like email, Viber, and WhatsApp leads to shipment delays, miscommunication, and tracking difficulties, especially with large volumes. These inefficiencies disrupt coordination, impact customer satisfaction, and increase operational costs due to errors and rework. Additionally, weak KPI implementation prevents effective performance assessment, making it difficult to optimize resources and make data driven decisions. Without structured KPI monitoring, FPS struggles to scale and compete with more efficient logistics providers. To address these issues, implementing a structured communication system and strengthening KPI tracking are essential for improving coordination, reducing delays, and enhancing overall operational efficiency.
Famous Pacific Forwarding Philippines is currently undergoing a digital transition which has introduced several operational challenges. Employees are still adjusting to the ERP system and paperless workflows, which has slowed down shipment tracking and in daily tasks. Communication remains heavily reliant on informal platforms like email, Viber, and WhatsApp, causing delays, lost updates, and miscommunication. At the same time, workforce productivity is impacted due to unclear KPI expectations and limited training. Key stakeholders affected include the employees adapting to the new systems, the management team guiding the transition, and external partners such as customers and business partners who experience delays. Everyone in the organization plays a crucial role in making this digital shift successful. The digital shift at Famous Pacific Forwarding Philippines has brought short term operational challenges, especially as employees adjust to the new ERP system, causing delays in daily tasks and shipment processing. Without a centralized communication system, coordination between departments has become inefficient, leading to miscommunication, slower output, and a higher risk of error. These issues directly impact productivity and customer satisfaction. While current performance has declined, the digital transition is a necessary step towards long term efficiency and competitiveness.
Understanding the challenges faced by FPS Philippines stakeholders is crucial in developing effective solutions. Let's break them down. So, firstly, employee job security. As automation and operational changes take place, certain roles may become redundant. This creates an urgent need for employees to upskill and adapt new responsibilities. Workplace and financial pressures, salary competitiveness, career growth limitations, and cost cutting measures due to inflation put pressure on employees, potentially affecting job satisfaction and retention. Additionally, management profitability concerns. Leadership must navigate rising production costs, supply chain disruptions, and increasing market competition, all while ensuring profitability and sustainable growth. Next, customer expectations versus cost. Consumers demand high quality products at affordable prices. However, rising product expenses make it challenging to balance cost efficiency with customer satisfaction. Investor confidence, market volatility, and operational risk require FPS Philippines to maintain financial stability and long term profitability to reassure investors. And lastly, regulatory compliance risk. Adhering to strict labor, environmental, and tax regulations demand significant financial and administrative resources. Non compliance could lead to legal penalties and reputational damage.
So, to address communication inefficiencies, we recommend implementing Microsoft Teams as a centralized platform. This tool offers organized channels, real time messaging, and file sharing, which helps minimize lost updates and confusion across departments. Unlike informal apps like Viber or WhatsApp, Microsoft Teams ensures accountability and faster coordination. Alongside this, we propose a phased digital transition to prevent overwhelming employees. By rolling out new tools like ERP and cloud storages in stages, staff can adapt gradually with proper training and feedback, ensuring a smoother and more sustainable shift towards digital operations. To improve performance tracking, we recommend establishing clear and measurable KPIs for each department, supported by assigned mentors or team leads who will guide staff, provide feedback, and ensure consistent progress. This approach promotes accountability and helps employees understand expectations while identifying areas for improvement. In addition, comprehensive ERP training is essential to help staff adapt confidently to new systems. By offering hands on workshops, assigning digital champions, and encouraging a culture of learning, the company can ease the transition, reduce resistance, and boost long term efficiency.
Famous Pacific Forwarding Philippines faces a lack of synergy between departments, leading to miscommunication, inefficiencies, and delays. To address this, the company should implement a process integration strategy to enhance collaboration and streamline operations. This strategy begins with internal audits to identify key interdepartmental workflows requiring coordination. Departments such as operations and customer service can work together for shipment updates, while finance and sales can align on billing and payments. Standard operating procedures or SOPs should be developed to ensure clear data handoffs, required documentation, and escalation procedures. Workflow automation tools within the ERP system can further optimize task handovers. Weekly cross-department meetings should be held to discuss projects and challenges, with each department assigning a process coordinator to oversee adherence to standardized workflows. Key performance indicators like response time and error reduction will be used to monitor collaboration efficiency. This initiative will improve efficiency, reduce errors, and create a more streamlined operation for FPS. The process integration strategy is essential for improving efficiency, accuracy, and customer satisfaction at FPS. Miscommunication and disconnected workflows often cause delays and inefficiencies, which can be mitigated through clear collaboration guidelines, SOPs, and workflow automation. Implementing a centralized task management system enhances accountability, responsibility, and transparency, ensuring tasks are well defined and tracked to completion. This approach will minimize delay, foster a culture of ownership across departments, and lead to faster response time, optimize resource allocation, and improve customer satisfaction. As the company expands, a structured process and the use of digital tools will provide a scalable foundation for managing complex operations. This will further strengthen FPS's reputation, ensuring smoother operations, higher customer satisfaction, and long term business success.
For the cost benefit analysis of Microsoft Teams, Famous Pacific Forwarding Files Inc. will streamline communication through dedicated channels, real time updates, and seamless collaboration, reducing inefficiencies caused by scattered messaging platforms. This transition will improve accountability, enhance productivity, and ensure faster decision making, ultimately leading to better customer service and operational efficiency. For the cost benefit analysis of the ERP system, to ensure employees adapt smoothly to digital tools, a structured ERP training program will be implemented, featuring hands on workshops, digital champions for peer support, and accessible learning materials. This approach will boost employee confidence, reduce resistance to change, and create a tech savvy workforce, driving long term efficiency and business growth.
Now, let's examine the potential risk and challenges of implementing our proposed solution. Our firstly, financial constraints. Adopting new technologies and sustainability measures requires substantial capital. Poor financial management will lead to budget overruns and inefficiencies. Next, operational disruptions. Transitioning to new system can cause workflow inefficiencies and technical challenges that impact daily operations. Another risk is resistance to change. Employees and management may be hesitant to embrace new processes. Without proper training and change management strategies, productivity may decline. Next is cybersecurity and data risk. which is also a concern. Data breaches, unauthorized access, or accidental deletions could compromise sensitive company information. Additionally, market and competition risk. If customer reception is weak or competitors introduce superior solutions, the company's success may be hindered or impacted. And lastly, regulatory compliance risk. Failure to align with labor laws, environmental policies, and corporate governance standards could result in significant legal and financial consequence. Recognizing these risks allow us to develop strategies that mitigate challenges and ensure a successful implementation. Now let's explore the expected benefits and stakeholder impact of our proposed solutions for FPS Philippines. Firstly, operational efficiency and cost reduction. By optimizing processes and addressing inefficiencies, the company can significantly lower costs and enhance overall profitability. Second, investor and shareholder gains. These improvements will increase financial stability, attracting investors and boosting long term growth potential. Next, employee growth and satisfaction. By investing in training programs for workplace improvements, employees may gain valuable skills, ensuring job security and higher workplace satisfaction. This reduces turnover and fosters loyalty. Additionally, enhanced customer experience, improvements in product quality, competitive pricing, and service efficiency will lead to greater customer trust and brand loyalty. Improved internal communication and management is another key benefit. Digital tools will enhance real time collaboration, minimize miscommunication, and ensure better task delegation and accountability. Finally, technological and market positioning. Modernizing operations and leveraging the digital tools will establish FBS Philippines as a forward thinking logistics company, attracting potential business partners who value data driven efficiency. By leveraging these benefits, FBS Philippines can secure long term success and stakeholder confidence.